In this video we're going to look at how we can use guides and rulers in the new Keynote. First thing we're going to do is switch on our rulers by going View, Show Rulers. This will bring up the rulers around the outside of our slide. Now as you can see here, this is in pixels. If I wanted to change it into a different form of measurement, I would go Preferences, select Rulers, and then go to my ruler units, and I can either select points, inches, or centimeters, but points works for me. The second thing I can do is go back to View, and I can switch on my guides. Now there are two types of guides. There is my master guide. This appears as these two yellow lines that I can adjust running through the middle. If I wanted to create a alignment guide, here's how I would do it. I'd take my mouse up once I have my ruler visible, click in the space here, and then drag down, and that's going to create a guide for me, and I can then drag that down to where I'd like it to sit. Now this might be at 100 pixels or points in. Then I can come over the other side and do the same thing, and this will allow me to have an alignment guide so I can start aligning everything up to it. I can create multiple ones of these because I could go over to the other side and align there, and then drag it down the bottom and take it 100 up from the bottom there. This allows me to effectively go through and set up a series of alignments that I can use within my presentation. The other thing I can do with my guides is I can show my guidelines. Now this is very useful when I'm going to insert a picture, for example. When I drag this, I get the lines that will tell me when this is centered both vertically and horizontally. So here's my diagram, I've dropped it in, it's now been centered vertically and horizontally because it's matching up with that cross.